Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fit window to full screen using two different resolutions on Streamlabs OBS. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Streamlabs, click on the Create an Account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, using two different resolutions on Streamlabs OBS and fitting the window to full screen can be necessary for various reasons, especially when dealing with multiple sources or devices. Alright, so for example, if you're combining video sources from different devices like a webcam and a game capture, these sources might have different native resolutions. For example, your webcam might be set to 720 or 1280 by 720 while your game capture it as 1080p. Alright, so in this case, using different resolutions allows you to optimize each source's quality. So how do we do it? Now, as you can see, I have two different windows here. And the one doesn't fit exactly here in the Stream OBS. They have a different resolution because when you click on the settings right here, you would be able to know. If I go here to the scenes, right, you would be able to know that they have a different sizes on screen. Now, there are multiple ways for you to do it, but some are technically advanced because you can always hover to the settings option wherein just go to the video and make your canvas to the specific numbers that would make your screen fit into the Streamlabs OBS. But the thing is, the output might be different and what you were looking for might not be the best results that you would get from these video adaptation. So by that I mean, when I click on done, it's still not appearing as my desired result. But the quickest way for you to do it is, for example, this is the screen. All I have to do is right click on it, okay, go to transform and click on fit to screen. See, the magic happens. It's very easy. I'm gonna undo that right now, okay? And once again, I'm gonna hit right click, transform, and fit to screen. You see that? And I can do the same thing with my other screen. Transform, click to fit to screen, and there you have it. Basically, that's how you fit window to full screen using two different resolutions on Streamlabs OBS. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.